Hello my dear pupils, أهلا بتلاميذي الأعزاء. So today's video is a follow-up. Okay? يعني فيديو تكميلي. ونبدأ فيه بحرف ال I. Now I is written like that in non-cursive, small, capital small. Then in cursives it is written somehow like a 9 يعني تشبه التسعة لكنها ليست تماما كما حرف الجي G. So it is like that. One step we move our hands like that, then like that. This is how you write the I. So this is the capital cursive I. Now the small form of I is like that in cursive writing, as you can see. Small line here, like in C or D or E or yeah. And we have this line like that. Okay. Now J is written like that in non-cursive form. It is like that. And in cursive form, it is like that. It looks like the I at the beginning, but somehow it goes lower under the line. It goes under the line. So see, first step is like that, then we move like that, then like that. Okay, then we have this. So the first step now in cursive, small letter, I in cursive, but this time small letter, J is like that. This is in one step like that. Okay, now K is like that, capital letter, small letter. Okay, look. Then in cursive form it is like that. It is written in 2 steps. First step, then second step is like that. Top, bottom, but with this shape. Look at this shape. Okay, so K now in cursive, it looks like an H, but not really the same. Like that, in one step. Move our hands like that, then we return back here, then we do like an R. Okay, so نحرك يدنا من الأسفل إلى الأعلى في دفعة واحدة، نعود فيما ورائنا هنا إلى حيث هذه نقطة تقاطع الخطين، هاتين الخطين، ثم نرسم ما يشبه حرف ال R capital but it is small. This is K. Okay, we see the others. Always non-cursive, cursive. Okay, so we write the letter that we know already. L. Now we are in the letter L. is like that, and it is like that in non-cursive form. Then in cursive form it is like that. In one step we do like that. Okay, so in one step we go from left to right, then we move like that, then we go down, then we move like that, drawing small circle here, then like that. This is L, but in one step, all in one. Okay, now the L in cursive is like the B or the H or somehow, but it's a little bit different. It's easier. So this is L in cursive. We move our hand like that, down, top, top, down, then with somehow moving our hands towards this line. Okay, so نحرك يدنا نحو هذا الخط الصغير الذي هو فوق هذا الخط الكبير. Okay, so now we move to M. M in non-cursive form is like that. So this is M. Now in cursive form it is, some people write it like that. Others, or some others, like that. Now the small form is like that. We start from here, here, and like that. It is like that. So this is capital letter in cursive writing, or it is like that, and this is the small letter. Now we move to N. N is written like that. N. And in non-cursive, and in cursive form, it is written like that. Okay? Or some other people write it like that. This is the small letter. Okay? Like this, but it is smaller. أصغر منها، مثلها لكن أصغر منها. يعني هذه الأن تشبه تماما هذه، لكنها أصغر منها في الحجم. Now O. O is like that. O. It's like a zero. O in cursive writing, it is like that. There is like a space between this line and this line. They are not connected. Okay? Okay. So this is the O in small letters. It is, we draw it in one step. Okay? يعني نرسمها أو نكتبها في خطوة واحدة. From up to down. Then we move up. But slightly under this line. Okay? Now the O in little, in small letters. We drew this small line. We drew this and like that. Okay? In one step. In one step we do like that. Okay? Now P. 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 It is like that in non-cursive form. In cursive form, it is like that. We drew this line from up to down, then we draw this one. This is P. So we have two steps here. Top, bottom, left, right. Okay. Left, right, top, bottom. Okay. So now we see how to write the small letter. Like we drew like number 1, but it goes under this big line. Okay, or this bold line. So then we add this line. This is P. This is P in cursive form or in cursive writing. Okay. Okay. Now we move to Q. So Q is like an O but with a line here. Q is the inverse of P. It seems like P, but it is not the same. This semicircle is coming before this line, but in P, the semicircle is after this line. Okay. So now we see the cursive form of this letter Q. So Q is also like an O. It's like that, but it has a little line like that. Okay, and Q in small letters is like that. A small line here, semicircle, another line here, done like that. This is the form of a Q. So now we move to R. R. This is the form of R in non-cursive. So once you find this, so it's non-cursive. Cursive form now is like that. In 2 steps, we draw this line from up to down like that. It is a little bit going towards left. Up, down, left, right, left. Okay, so we move our hands. يعني نحرك أيدينا من الأعلى إلى الأسفل وبتمييلها أو إمالتها بعض الشيء باتجاه اليسار. Okay, so we draw now this line in once. Okay, so this is R. This is the capital letter of the letter R in cursive writing. Okay. Okay, so now the R, small r. This is R in cursive writing. In one step, we do like that. Down to up and up to down, but somehow we're moving our hand to form or to make this shape. Okay, so R, now S. Now the S. S, small s, capital S, small s in non-cursive form. Now the S in cursive form is a little bit, it seems like a little bit difficult, but it is not. Just follow this step. Go from down to up, but with taking your hands towards the right. يعني وأنت ترسم الخط من الأسفل إلى الأعلى اتجه قليلا نحو اليمين هكذا لترسم الأس هكذا أملها قليلا ثم ارسم دائرة هكذا ثم اذهب هكذا هكذا. This is the S مع قلبها قليلا هكذا مع قلبها قليلا كما شئت يمكنك أن تقلبها هكذا. This is the S. Go like that, and like that. Okay, so now the S in cursive is like that, go like that, return back a little bit, slightly, then go like that to draw this shape. Okay, T now. T. T is like that and like that. Then in, this is the non-cursive form. The cursive form is like that. We drew a line from up to down. Then in second step, it seems like an F. Okay, it seems like an F, but it is a T here. Okay, this is T. Left, right, up, down. Okay, then T in small letters. Drew a small line here, then another line like that, then at the end this line. This is T in cursive form. Now we see U. U in cursive, non-cursive is like that. Capital letter, small letter. In cursive form, it is like that. Capital in cursive writing. This is the small letter in ones. Okay. V now. V is like that. But in cursive form, it is like that. Okay. Now the small letter is like that. So this is capital letter, this is small letter. Now W. W is like that. Capital, small, this is non-cursive. Cursive form is like that. This is W in capital letter of the letter W. Then this is capital letter, W in capital form. And this is the small form. Okay, so capital, small. Then X. X is like that. X. Now X is like that in two steps. We do like that. This is X. Then like that. S plus C here. S, C. S and C. S and C connected. This is X. 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 Then Y. Y in capital letter. In small letter, in small letter and in capital letter, non-cursive. Now Y. Y capital and small in non-cursive writing. And in cursive writing, they are like that. And Y. You see? Okay. Z now. Z. Z. This is non-cursive form, capital and small. Now, in non-cursive, they are like that. Z is written like that. You see, it's big. It is big. And the small letter is like that. See? This is Z. So, now we learned how to write in cursive form all the letters. We learned how to distinguish between cursive and non-cursive writing, okay, of the alphabet letter. Now we learned how to distinguish between the non-cursive and the cursive writing of each letter in the English alphabet. It's very important, so that when you write a piece of writing, like a paragraph or a sentence or even a word, don't mix both kind of writing. Okay, يعني لما تكتب بالكيرسيفز اكتب بالكيرسيفز، لما تكتب بالنون كيرسيفز اكتب بالنون كيرسيفز. If you use in one piece both forms, so I'm sure you don't know how to distinguish between them, and I am sure that many people have this problem. Now in this video we have learned how to pronounce the name of each letter in the alphabet, and also we distinguished, or we have learned how to distinguish between cursive and non-cursive form of writing. Okay, so these are the two important points we have seen today. Next time we will see all the possible sounds of each letter in the alphabet. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe and share and like the video. See you next time. Bye bye.